Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about this video because I'm going to react to my earliest videos I ever uploaded on YouTube. The YouTube landscape was completely different. YouTube was still in its early infancy. So we're going back in time in 2009 and this is what YouTube looked like back then. Let me see, I had 60,000 subscribers, a million channel views and 51 videos. So we're gonna go to my most viewed videos. Let's see if it works. Oh, shoot, it works. That's so cool. This is so weird because you can see the star system. Old YouTube had the star rating system where you would rate a video from 1 to 5 stars. So these were the videos I had back in 2009. Of course, my most viewed video being the Lady Gaga poker face tutorial and a bunch of others. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch the first video I ever uploaded called the natural looking makeup tutorial. And this was uploaded back in 2007. So we're gonna go way back. This video is 12 years old. Actually, before I begin, I'm gonna make some tea. This is my sister who's taking a nap. Is a mug. Let's see what I got. I normally like the cinnamon one. I think I'm gonna go with this chip one. Okay, got our mug down. Next thing we're gonna need is tea. I'm gonna need some Earl Grey tea. This is good. Earl Grey, perfect. Sugar. So we're gonna need some milk. Maybe you can try almond milk or coconut milk, whatever milk you want to use. You just need your tea first, put it in, then add some sugar in. So add some milk in. So I'm gonna let the tea bag infuse with the milk and sugar and let it set for 2 minutes. And I don't know why we have this here. I'm gonna take it away. It's kind of weird. So now that the tea has been infused with the milk, you can pour in your hot water. So after waiting a few minutes, the tea should be ready. Okay, so I got my tea, got my earphones in. This is so awkward. Sure your face has been cleaned, toned, and moisturized. You get better natural. I remember I was 19, 20 here. Tilt your head down and locate where your dark circles are. See mine. Take your concealer, using your ring finger. Always using that ring finger. To where it's located. Now it's time to do the second eye. When I was shooting this video, I did 3 different takes. Blend it in. And this was the one that I liked the most. So there's actually 2 other tutorials I shot before this. This was my favorite one. What I'm using is Dude, powder, I'm using an eyeshadow sponge. From light to dark. That was advanced makeup tools back then. I spelled mascara wrong. Okay, is it just me or I can't see the blush? I don't see anything. Apply along the jawline. I look exactly the same. And here I'm applying lip gloss for a little bit of shine. Now it's time to check how successful you are achieving the natural look with makeup. This is... I can't watch this. Thank goodness it's finished. Yay! No good luck? That video alone made the biggest impact in my life. And I remember that was during a time when I was going through a lot in my personal life. I was in college. I needed a job because I wanted to pay my student loan debt. And it was really hard getting a job back then. So when I was filming my first tutorial, it was really out of pure boredom. I was bored, I didn't know what to do. I had so much time on my hands and I decided to just make a tutorial because I love makeup so much and I love creating and I love sharing and teaching. So I filmed it, I learned how to edit. I would say that was probably one of the most important moments of my life, uploading that video, because if I didn't upload that video, I wouldn't be here today. I wouldn't be talking to you here in my office and I wouldn't have such an amazing life. So it's just really amazing, you know? YouTube has really changed my life. So I think the next video I'm going to watch is the iconic Lady Gaga poker face tutorial. I don't remember the last time I saw this video. So back in 2009, it had 2.5 million views. Let's see what we got today. Wow, it has 34 million views. So I shot this in my bathroom. Whenever I'm filming in my bathroom, because it's so small, there's only one place I can sit, which is the toilet. So I'm actually sitting on a toilet. Okay, so I upgraded from sponges. I think this was probably one of the first times I've ever worn a wig. Dude, the iconic Urban Decay Primer Potion.
Re-highlight the ball of your eyes again.
Highlight the ball of your eyes.
Here, I bought drugstore lashes. Just take it out and measure to see if they fit.
Those lashes look bad. I don't know why I was wearing a wig while doing this makeup tutorial. It would have been way easier without the wig. I look like I'm struggling here. Contouring.
Use lash glue to create an adhesive base.
Okay, that wasn't so bad. Alright, so the next video I'm going to watch is the Paper Bag Curls Tutorial No Heat, which is a personal favorite of mine. Press play. Man, I had a lot of hair back then.
I had to use my Hello Kitty bags. I think every Asian girl likes Hello Kitty. It's like loving rice.
Oh, that was racist.
Now take your paper bags and wrap it around your hair like so.
I look crazy.
I am almost finished and I'm really can't wait to be done.
I look exhausted. I'm exhausted just watching this.
Finished. Now we play the waiting game. You can either A, wait until your hair is fully dry.
This looks so
You will feel
satisfying.
extremely liberated once you have removed all of the papers. And make sure you run your fingers through your hair just in case you had like a piece of paper stuck in the back of your hair.
That actually happened before once. I actually had a piece of a paper bag in my hair because I forgot to remove it.
Good luck.
That was really wholesome. It's the good old days on YouTube. Let's do the anime eyes tutorial. Whoa. I look like that one crazy ex-girlfriend meme. That's what I look like.
This tutorial will show you how to achieve those anime
Why do I
looking
talk
eyes.
like that?
Now,
Oof.
take white eyeliner.
I'm sure as someone who's never applied makeup on, watching this must be terrifying.
Eyeliner is clean.
Like, why is this girl doing this to her eyes?
This will help redefine your eyes.
This will help redefine your eyes. And now they make bottom lashes. They didn't make them back then. So we've come a long way in the lash game.
Now your eyes look
Oh my
like an anime.
gosh.
Have fun and good luck.
My heart. I actually do want to watch the egg mask facial because I know a lot of you guys reference it and you guys talk about how I made the omelet near the end.
That's right. Now that it's summer, it's hot and you want to control your oily skin. So an egg mask is perfect. All you need is one organic egg.
You could put this on with anything and it just instantly makes
So
it
the
super
fun part,
fancy.
separate. Keep sliding it back and forth until all the egg whites are drained. Beat it hard until it gets frothy.
I remember people making comments about that. The sexual
Once you see the
innuendos.
bubbles, you know it's ready.
Oh my gosh, I'm really doing this.
And apply it all over your face, evenly covering your face. And because I'm Vietnamese, we add fish sauce to everything. I know it sounds weird, but you have to
That's
try
my girl.
it before you hate it. And a lot of pepper and a dash of salt. Add a bit of oil on
That's
your
a
pan.
lot of oil.
Dish out your eggs.
Should I make an updated egg video?
And of course, more bloopers.
I love bloopers. Oh shoot, that actually happened. Poor eggs.
It's natural beauty tip.
It was really cute. I know I'm gonna regret watching this, but I really want to troll myself. The Kitty Litter Facial Mask Deep Cleansing. What inspired me to create this video was an article I read from this woman. She went to like a very expensive New York spa and they were known for their bentonite clay treatments. So when she went in the back, she saw that they were actually using unscented kitty litter.
Because scented versions
Was it clean kitty litter?
Of course it's clean kitty litter.
How would I know?
What was I thinking?
I wonder what your cat was thinking.
My cat was thinking, I shit on that. Why are you putting that on your face? Okay, I'm waiting for it to dry now.
Did it smell?
No, it doesn't smell. Honestly, it felt like a normal clay mask, I'm not gonna lie.
It does look like a clay mask.
It is a clay mask, I swear. But I get roasted all the time from people. I apologize. I don't know what on earth possessed me to create this video. Maybe I was desperate. Maybe I was bored. All I know is I do not put kitty litter on my face. I'm trying to see what else to watch. I don't know. Honestly, it's really hard. It's really hard to watch yourself because I'm sure most of you guys can relate. You're not the same person as you were last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 10 years ago, 12 years ago. But I think there is something really endearing about watching these old videos because I really didn't know what I was doing. I was just having fun. I was having fun. I wanted to share. And in a way, these videos that I made in the past, they've brought me here. And this was my way of communicating with you guys. This was my way of connecting with you guys. So I'm getting a little emotional, but just watching these videos really brought me back. And I'm really proud. I'm just grateful. I'm really grateful for this whole experience, and I had a lot of fun watching this with you guys. So if you enjoyed my reactions and you'd like for me to make more, let me know, because I have, I think, like 200 more videos to watch. And thank you so much for watching. I don't know what else to say.